we have talked about the characteristics and functions of YUNL electric couplers. Now, we need a stable and reliable controller system to drive our brushless motor and detect and protect our electric safety. Let's take a look at the controller we developed. This is a brushless controller. It's an intelligent brushless controller. It's small and waterproof. It can adapt to vibration, high temperature, cold, and other extreme conditions. When you receive the controller, you only need to connect to wires. One is positive, and the other is negative. Just connect them to the battery, and it's done. Then we can directly plug it in. You only need to connect to wires. You don't need to connect the other wires. Then press the remote control directly, which is very convenient. This is our controller. This is our long wire. To maintain authenticity, we use a long wire to demonstrate the remote control. With the controller, it can protect our circuit safety. The controller has built-in protection for short circuit, overvoltage, overtemperature, and phase shortage. It can also adapt to wide voltage. For the circuit, normally, when you don't operate the remote control, these three wires are not electrified because we are using three-phase electricity. When you are not pressing and buttons, there will be no electricity in the wires. If the wire is broken, when you press the remote control, it will detect. When it detects it, in the next second, it will directly cut off the power and directly protect the control board. And our controller has a built-in buzzer. This is the buzzer. It is waterproof. When there is a corresponding short circuit or phase loss, or other factors, it will give a corresponding beep reminder to remind you. Different fault point will lead to different beeping sound. If everything is functioning well, the buzz will not make any sound. Our controller has a built-in sleep function. You can directly connect it to the excavator battery, so you don't have to worry about power shortage. It can achieve ultra-long current transmission. For excavators, we need to pull a wire of about 10 meters long. With 10 meters wire, the remote control can still respond quickly. On our remote control, there is a switch to avoid accidental contact. To activate the controller, you need to hold the switch for 5 seconds. Then, if you press it again, it will be turned off. The controller comes with this holder, which can be sticked directly in the cab. The controller can be stuck in like this. It's easy to operate, easy to install. Moreover, our controller can be controlled via buttons using a wired connection. Some customers prefer button control. We can choose button setup. These are 3 spare wires. Wireless remote control is our standard setup. It is more convenient. You don't have to pull a wire to the cab when setting up. In the situation when you use it for the first time and want to understand how it works, you can get out of the cab with the remote control to check its connection. Our controller has been tested and used for 4 years. For the controller and the control board inside, we use a mature design framework. Both the software and hardware are mature. It's stable and reliable. According to the working conditions and harsh environment, we have continuously improved it. After continuous improvement and verification, it is fine. This is our latest brushless controller.